Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a really nice HLA, big arm it's called. We are a Cummings and Bricking dealer now, so we can get HLA products, what you might need. We do carry that product line now. This is their, what is called big arm. It is a swing arm backhoe attachment made by Horst Welding. This is going to have a 12-inch bucket on it. It is offsettable, so you can unpin this boom, move it over here to do wall dig. It is fully hydraulic, the swing left or right. Uses an interrupter valve, which we'll show you here in a second. This is their SSB H600, serial number 10803. This thing was used 1 or 2 times. Come from a local man here, traded in on some other attachments. He bought this to do one little project. Both valves you can speed up or slow down for swing or bucket curl. This thing is about $6,300 now from HLA. So very, very expensive. We're going to just show you here real quick. Everything works. We're just going to go ahead and dump the bucket for you. Then what this does, we just have a cigarette lighter plug here for you, and then it just uses a basic interrupter valve. So you're just going to push this, okay, and hold it, and whenever you want to swing, I need to grow another arm here. Apologize. Whenever you want to swing, you're just going to push this interrupter and the backhoe attachment, then we'll swing. Okay, so whenever you then want to go back to bucket, you're just going to let that off. Very simple setup, very easy to put in the machine, both move it in and out. But it does swing both ways, and I'm going to give the camera back to Matt here for a second so that everybody can see that. If you have any questions on the big arm backhoe attachment, let us know. We're glad to help you in any way that we can. 814-658-3066. Again, about $6,300 new. This I have at a heck of a deal. It's like brand new, ready to go to work. Any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.